Have you ever had this problem with your Mercedes where one light is on, one light is off, car is completely locked, and you do not know why it's doing this? The other end, right here, one light is on, one light's off, and it's off. So what you want to do is you want to unlock the car, and you might have hit the switch right here, which puts it in park mode for safety in the middle of the night when your car's off and you have to abandon it. So put it on auto and it should go away. As you can see, let's boot it up so I can show you guys. Yeah, it should be. You can see once it's on auto. So as you can see, the lights are both on. It was just that it was in park mode, completely working. And yeah, that's how you fix it, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video, and make sure you subscribe, like, comment, help me grow, and thank you guys.